Is sugar fueling cancer? The Metabolic Connection. Read in an ebook format. Could the sugar in your diet be secretly feeding one of the deadliest diseases in the world? Today, we'll break down how sugar affects your body and its surprising connection to cancer. Let's get started. Over the past century, what we eat has changed dramatically. Processed foods packed with added sugars have taken over, and our sugar consumption has skyrocketed. In 1900, the average person ate just 5 pounds of sugar per year. Today, it's over 150 pounds per person annually. At the same time, cancer rates have soared. Worldwide, nearly 10 million people died from cancer in 2020, making it the second leading cause of death. Back in the 1920s, German scientist Otto Warburg made an incredible discovery. He found that cancer cells use sugar in a completely different way than normal cells. Instead of relying on oxygen for energy, cancer cells prefer a process called glycolysis, which burns through sugar even when oxygen is available. This became known as the Warburg effect. Essentially, cancer cells are sugar junkies. They consume glucose 10 to 50 times faster than healthy cells. Warburg's groundbreaking work even earned him a Nobel Prize nomination. So, what does this mean for us? Well, modern diets full of sugar may be giving cancer exactly what it needs to grow. Studies show that high blood sugar and insulin levels create the perfect environment for cancer cells to thrive. For example, people with type 2 diabetes, a condition caused by long-term high blood sugar, are up to 20% more likely to develop cancers like liver, pancreas, and colon cancer. On top of that, sugar triggers inflammation and increases a hormone called IGF-1, which fuels cell growth. This combination acts like pouring gasoline on a fire. But what if we could take away cancer's favorite fuel? That's where the ketogenic diet comes in. First used in the 1920s to treat epilepsy, this diet replaces carbs with fats and protein, forcing your body to burn fat instead of sugar. When your body enters ketosis, it produces ketones as an energy source. Healthy cells can use ketones, but cancer cells, with their broken mitochondria, can't adapt. Studies show that this metabolic switch can shrink tumors by up to 80% in some animal studies. And there's more. Research suggests that combining a ketogenic diet with treatments like chemotherapy can improve results and even reduce side effects. The data is compelling. In one experiment, mice with brain tumors on a ketogenic diet had their tumor sizes cut by 80% compared to mice on a regular diet. And in human trials, combining a ketogenic diet with standard treatments extended survival for patients with aggressive brain cancers. On top of that, lowering sugar intake reduces levels of IGF-1, the growth hormone linked to cancer. Less sugar means less fuel for cancer. Of course, it's not all simple. Different types of cancer behave differently. And while brain cancers respond well to sugar restriction, others might adapt and find alternative energy sources like proteins or fats. Sticking to a ketogenic diet can also be tough. It requires cutting out nearly all carbs, which many people find hard to maintain. And while early results are promising, we need more large-scale studies to fully understand the diet's impact on cancer. This isn't just about cancer. Our sugar-filled diets are linked to obesity, diabetes, and so many other health problems. Cutting back on sugar isn't just a choice for today. It's an investment in your future health. What do you think? Could reducing sugar in your diet really help prevent cancer? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the science of health and wellness.